Hi, welcome to tutorial number 50 for CSCI 130 Introduction to Programming here at the University of Wisconsin Parkside. I did it again. I click on the stop instead of the pause, and then here we are. So let's continue with the display grades sub that we're calling from here. So then as you can see here, they defining a string. They have the output. So then what I will do is just go into my list box and add this string there. So we'll say list box one dot items dot add, and then I'm gonna say students, and then I'm gonna concatenate this with control charts dot tab, and then concatenated this with test1. No. Sorry, the string. I'm sorry. Here we get a string. String test1, and then we're concatenating this with control charts dot tab, and then this goes with the test2. You know what? Let's copy this again. We'll go in this, copy. So let's see. So here is students. We also can like this. So I forgot the quotes there, quotation. So control chart tab, test1, control chart tab. So we concatenated the space. So here we need it like this, and this needs to be concatenated. So let's see the numbers are okay. So we got students, test1, test2. I don't think I got the test3. So tab, and then it's concatenated with test3, and I guess we need also average. So then we're concatenating this again with control charts dot tab, and then it's concatenated with average. So there. Now, well, let's see how this looks. I mean, we just want to have the function here this week here. Some errors. Oh, I forgot to close the parentheses. I think it's a good day today for me here. There. Okay, let's try one more time. F5. Good. So now, and I got 100, 98, 97. Submit. Okay, so we got students, test1, test2, test3, average. Okay, that looks okay. Seems that we're gonna need a little more room. Just a little bit. Let's see one more time. So I'm putting some grades here. Okay, so I see that there. Okay, I still don't see the numbers because we haven't finished with that part yet. So let's go back over here. So now we need some numbers, right? Now, how many numbers? Well, it depends on the counter. The counter right now is 0, so we're gonna need to have a loop that says for I as integer equal 0 to the number of students that we have. So far we got counter to counter there. So right now we got just one student, right? And once we do the display grades, we need to do this. So then, what is it that we want to do? Well, we want to add the grades. Looks like this. So what about if we copy this whole thing about list boxes? Because this, we're going to be doing this per student. So I'm selecting this and I'm going to copy. Control C, then I'm pasting. Now let's make the changes that we need. So it's going to be called student 0, the first one, right? So let's take away the S. Now this is going to look ugly. We're going to add another ampersand, and then we're going to put here the variable I. So the variable I is going to be changing 0, 1, 2, and whatever is the number of the students, up to 10. And then here we need a space, and then here we need the first grade from that student, right? So that is in variable grades, or grades, comma I, comma 0. That's test 1. And then for student I, then test 2, change this for grades, the student I, test 2. Then doing the same test 3. So test 3, we got it on grades, student I, comma 2, right? See if I got those right, 1, 2. Then, so we can see it from here, 0, 1, 2, and 3 is going to be my average. So then we need to add the average for that student. Instead of average, that will be grades, parentheses, student I, comma 3. There. So this is gonna be displaying this is the one that is gonna be adding the rows. For each student. So this is each student, and we're doing this once, which is the function header. Okay, and here we need to increment the counter. So now counter plus equals 1, right? Okay, so let's test this, see how that works. So let's put 100, 70, 100, and we say submit grades. Okay, so look, student 0, 100, 700, 700, I'm sorry, 170, 100, average 90. Perfect, looks okay. Now, let's say, you know what, we need to clear this because this is very inconvenient. Let's put that on 80, 83, 80. Submit grades. Perfect. You see that? 80, 83, 80, average 81. Let's do one more. 70. Submit grades. Boom. There. Okay, so now we see we need to clear these and then have the focus on here, right? So once we do this, we're going to clear the text boxes. So we're going to say text box 1 dot clear. Yeah. And we do the same with the other text box 2 dot clear, text box 4 dot clear. We don't have a text box 4, it's text box 3. Okay, there. Now text box 1 dot focus. Okay. Now okay. So let's press now F5 and do one more test time. So this is 100, 90, 87. Got the grades there. Then 23, 67, 90. There, the average is 60. Very good. And look at how this is clean now. 45, 45, 45. Perfect. So it looks okay. I think we need like a more space here where it says students. Maybe we can get that with an additional tab. So let's see. I mean, this is just about presentation. So if we want additional space, then we copy this, and then we put another ampersand, Control V, and then we do the same here in the for loop. That's what we want. V and another ampersand there. F5. I don't know if we're gonna have enough room. 34, 56, 67. There. Now you see my average is going over there. Let's go over here. Okay, 5 one more time. 45, 56, 78. There. I think that looks okay now. Now, the next part that we need is it should also be updating the class average. And once we reach 10, this whole thing should be disabled. And we need the when we check numerics, so they should be checked by default here. Then we see the numbers. So if I click later, they should change to A, B, C, D. So now I'm going to stop the tutorial here, and I'm going to continue with that on the next tutorial. So far we accomplished a lot.